Hi folks, Dutch here from Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to be making this 5-ingredient fish pie for Cast Iron Wednesday's October challenge of fish and seafood.
Yeah, came in 17. Damn.
So for this fish pie, we've got 5 ingredients: fish, white sauce, mashed potato, lemon pepper and salt. So the first thing we're going to do is combine the white sauce with the fish. We don't want this fish mixture too runny, so I think that's enough. So the next thing to do is get our skillet up. All we're going to do is simply put the fish into the skillet. We're going to season with our lemon pepper. Then we're going to add just a touch of salt. Next thing we do is we're going to top it with our mashed potato. That's our fish pie ready. What we're going to do now is push the fire to one side. Wood fired oven is running about 180 degrees, and all we're going to do now is put this in. Then we'll just pop the door on. So all we can do now is go in, put some colour on. This side's getting nice and brown, this not so much. So all we're going to do is turn it to 180 degrees, put it back in. So this pie is now 35 minutes. I think it's time to get it out. And there we have it. That's Dutchy's 5 ingredients fish pie.